So what is monthly recurring revenue, MRR? I want to go ahead and get this out the way because many people are wondering how this can actually help them. You know how your bills every single month come? That is monthly recurring revenue to the banks, to the actual providers that provided that service to you. And so now it's time for us to fight back by building a system that, yes, someone buys once, but they'll continue to pay until they actually cancel. AKA products that, yes, people do this for. Supplements. Supplements runs out, consumables run out. And now that we're in this space where we have artificial intelligence that can find audiences, find communities, figure out exactly what their problems are, bring it full-fledged to us, build an entire website that speaks to different actual people depending on where they are. And yes, getting connected with Suppleful, Jetpack, and other actual supplement brands that can actually white label products for us, it's a match made in heaven. What I mean that in an evening, an afternoon, or even in a full day, you go from thought to find the product to building the actual website and lander, creating the actual content, and start posting on social media. That singular action done over and over again will start building you that monthly recurring revenue that, yes, someone is going to pay you to deliver that service, that product to them over and over again. And so most actual beginners, when we start our actual drop shipping and we start our online stores, we're focusing on the transactional business. I have one product, I put it in front of you, you buy it, that's done. With our subscription service supplement brand, well, our job is to not only get them to buy, give them an incentive to stay on and actually, of course, buy said product, but even more so, give them an opportunity to, yes, be a part of a long-lasting community over and over and over again. And what we're gonna do is not only teach you guys exactly how to build that brand, but build that brand for success, show you guys how to connect, grow, and even turn those actual raving fans out into affiliates. And this all comes back to the monthly recurring system. Customers, time retention, and time again. When we're talking about exactly what your customers are doing, your customers are looking for solutions to their problems. Your product can be superior not because it's the very best thing that's on the market or the very best thing you source on the market, but because you are able to educate and inform them why this product, based off of their product, based off of their problems, based off of where they are right now, is the right time to try this out. For example, I take L-arginine, I take glutathione, I take ashwagandha, and those three supplements run out every 30 days. And when they run out, I need more of them. Glutathione helps me with regulating my actual blood glucose. L-arginine gives me a nice pump after the gym, make the actual veins pop and give me the strength. And ashwagandha allows me to relax, tranquilo, and actually get better sleep. And guess what? As a CEO that's always moving and shaking, I need that in my life. So imagine you actually talking to your ideal customer about the things that they're struggling with, and you put a product in front of them. And then of course, you give them the ability to, yes, subscribe, which gives you predictable income every single month. Now, supplements work really well because as you just heard from me, they run out. And when they run out, people want to still have that fix. And when I say people will refill monthly or buy in bundles, they will, especially if the product is superior. And we teach you guys all that inside how to find superior products and how to actually go out there and find manufacturers that can produce products or source products for you so you don't have to struggle as much. But the big thing about this actual lane that we're now in is the high lifetime value and the exit ability from these actual products when we're ready. Meaning that you create the brand with nothing and then you sell it with everything that you have, you're gonna be able to exit for a large sum of money. And with AI doing all the heavy lifting, man, it's crazy time that we live in because now we're able to create these brands, websites at lightning speed. And when I tell you that most consumers that are in the actual supplement space that buy supplements, for myself, I can tell you I spend anywhere between $500 to about $800 a month on supplements, and I'm just one customer. And to be clear, the products that I'm buying over and over again, L-arginine, glutathione, and ashwagandha, I buy them every 30 days. I can't tell you the last time I canceled, which means that somebody somewhere is making money off of the very thing that I'm telling you we're going after now. So if you guys are super excited to build your MRR, it first starts with the people, then it starts with the problem, and then it continues with the product. And our job is to figure out exactly what problem is strong enough that someone wants to solve every single day. So if you guys are locked in on the MRR, let's continue to keep moving and shaking.